There's always been friction between IT recruiters and candidates, mostly because the candidates are frustrated with the recruiter's lack of deep technical knowledge. That's why we're presenting the industry's first technical certification for recruiters, TechScreen Certified. We have 12 modules of deep dive learning where we take advanced technical concepts, we break them down with simple, easy to understand illustrative explanations. So a recruiter can interface with a hiring manager or a candidate and meet with them on a peer level. Let me give you some examples of how we actually get that done. How does object orientation apply to a house, right? Well, you have many different types of complex systems within a house. And in this case, you have a whole bunch of abstract classes that have been well defined. You have different types of abstract classes. You have furniture types, infrastructure types, appliance types, adornment types. And underneath those abstract classes, because furniture can be all kinds of different things. You can have different types of furniture, seated types, storage types, platform types, different types of infrastructure, different types of appliances, different types of adornments, right? And so now borrowing upon the more precise set of instructions on what makes a seated type furniture different than a platform type furniture, these are all what you would call derived classes, much more specific classes, but they're called classes, not objects, because they're still sort of generic blueprints. They're not a specific, concrete implementation of something real that exists in the world. But once you have a derived class, then you can look at very specific instances of seated types of furniture, like easy chair, sofa, wooden chairs, different types of storage furniture, different types of platform furniture. And these are obviously things everyone recognizes, but the point is that you can look at these objects in the world and that are very, very specifically described. And these we know are objects, and we know they're objects because they are concrete, real world, actual instances of things that exist in the real world. A love seat compared to a hope chest, compared to a coffee table, compared to an air conditioner or a dishwasher. These are objects compared to derived classes versus abstract classes. For more information, go to techscreen.com/training and get certified.